So you want to buy a home, and now what? A lot of people, first thing they want to do is go find a realtor. Guess what? That's step number 2. Stay with me and I'm going to show you step by step how to buy a home like a pro. First thing you want to do is get pre-qualified for a loan if you need it. If you're buying cash, lucky you. Go to step 2 and find a realtor. A realtor is not only going to do all the paperwork for you, but he or she is going to be able to negotiate the best terms for you. So it's very important that you find a realtor. But that's step number 2. Remember, step number 1, get pre-qualified for a loan. Now, you can go to your bank or not. Yes, you can if you want. But keep this in mind. Your bank, any bank, big banks, small bank, medium banks, they don't consider, I don't want to say they don't care, but they don't care. They don't consider if you've been with them, if you have your money with them for 20 years, for 50 years, if your grandfather was the first account holder, they don't care. You have to qualify. So this is very important for you. When you go and find a loan, don't think that any bank is going to treat you better because you have your assets with them. And it's not that they don't want you as a customer, they do, but you have to qualify for a loan so the mortgage industry and the economy stays stable. Remember 2009? We don't want that again. So you have to qualify properly for a loan. Now, why you want to use a mortgage broker? That's a very good question. I'm glad you asked. If you go to your bank is going to have 3 to 5 different loans for you, and that's it. If you don't fit in any of these 5 products, and 5 is a lot, let me tell you, some of them only have 1 or 2. If you don't fit into one of these 5 buckets, you're done. You won't get qualified. But if you find a mortgage broker, it's gonna shop at least 3 to 5, 10, 20 different lenders for you. So we're not all the same. It's not like one size fits all scenario. It's not. Some of us are employees, some of us are independent, some of us are business owners, entrepreneurs, big business owners. There's a lot of different scenarios. And most of the banks only have a few products. But using a broker, you are going to get multiple options. You're going to get qualified either or. Finding a mortgage broker is going to give you way more options than your local bank. And by local bank, I don't mean a small bank. It may be huge, but usually, you know what, the bigger banks, they don't care a lot about small borrowers. That's the reality. Now, you want to stop paying rent.